Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make super easy and delicious lentejas con rajas y queso. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, it will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by cooking our lentils, and here I have my lentils soaking in 2 cups of water for 45 minutes. We're just going to throw it all into our pot with additional 5 cups of water, a piece of onion, and 2 bay leaves. We're just going to set it over high heat and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat to medium and allow it to cook for 20 minutes. Okay, and after 20 minutes, our lentils are done. So we're just going to set them to the side, and now we can work on our sauce. So to our pan, add 3 Roma tomatoes, along with 4 New Mexico or guajillo chili pods. Cover them with water, set it over high heat, and bring it to a boil. Okay, and as soon as our tomatoes and chiles come to a boil, transfer them to the blender cup. And now we can get ready to make our sauce. Okay, now to a blender cup, we're also going to add a piece of onion, 2 garlic cloves, 1 chile chipotle, along with all of our spices, and we're going to be blending with 1 cup of water. Not blend too smooth. Okay, and once we have our sauce, we can take it back to the stove. Okay, now to our pan over medium-high heat, we're going to add a little bit of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, add the 2 potatoes. And we're just going to season with garlic salt and a little bit of salt. Now just allow them to cook for 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, add the onion. Give it a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, add the roasted poblano peppers. And we're just going to mix it and allow them to cook for 1 minute. And after the minute, we can add our sauce. And just make sure that you strain if you need to. So we're just going to give it a good mix. And here we're going to get ready to add our lentils. Just make sure to remove the onion and bay leaves. Now just mix it and allow it to come to a boil. Okay, once it comes to a boil, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect. And I'm just going to be adding a chile chipotle. And here we're also going to add our queso panela cut into cubes. Okay, so here I'm just going to give it a couple minutes, and also make sure that your potatoes are nice and soft. Just like that, you're gonna know that this is done. Okay, and after a couple minutes, our delicious lentejas are done. So now we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. These lentejitas are seriously so flavorful, so delicious. Perfect, if you don't know how to make them for next time, this is definitely the perfect way to make them. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So simple, yet so delicious. The perfect combination of the queso cotija, the rajas, and the potatoes is just the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious lentejas con rajas y queso. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.